Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you about gusset based design in design of steel structures. So this is one example problem in column basis. So here ISHB 350 at 710 Newton per meter was given and two plates 450 mm by 20 mm carrying a factor load of 3600 kilonewtons. So for this we need to design a gusset base. So here the base is connected to concrete, that is area of the base plate formula load by 0.45 FCK. So the load is 3600, 0.45 into FCK is 20. So I got 400,300 mm square. So by referring SP61 steel tables book, I am selecting one angle section which is near to this value, that is in page number 14 SP61 steel tables book. This area is available 150 by 115 mm, that is 37.24 centimeter square, which is near to this value. So that's why I choose this angle section and 16 mm thick gusset plate. So I'll show you the diagram. So this is side view of that column, and these are the connections, and these are the plates, angle sections. Okay, so this is the top view. This is ISHB 350, which is given 310 Newton per meter, and this red color portion is plates. I mean, these are bolts which are connected to this plate. Okay, for this we are going to design the gusset base. Here the minimum width required, that is this entire value is 350 plus 2 into 20 cover plates plus 2 into 16 mm plate both sides plus 2 into 115. 115 is this value. So I got 652 mm. So I consider this as 700 mm wide plate. After that, length of the base plate we need to calculate, that is area by 700, which is 571 mm, and provide 700 by 600 mm plate. Here I took it as 600 mm and here I took it as 700 mm. So pressure under plate, that is load by area. So load we know that, and area 700 by 600. So I got 8.57 Newton per mm square, nothing but pressure. So next we are going to calculate bending moment, and the length of that member. So total length is 700. So I am detecting all the values, that is minus 350, we know that length, plus 220 into 2, that is both sides, 16 into 2 and both sides, and 2 into thickness by 2. I got 124 mm, that is length of that member. Next, here I am going to calculate bending moment of that section. So here I am considering one section, and mid span I am considering another section. So WL square by 2, I got this value. And next, bending moment at YY. At the center we are going to calculate, and WL square by 2 minus total is 700 by 2 into 8.57 force into perpendicular distance. So here half of this section is 350 by 2 plus 20, that is thickness of that member, plus 16 plus 15 by 2. So 16 is thickness and 15 is also thickness. Here I will show you. So these are the 16, and this thickness is 15 mm and this is 20 mm. So here I am detecting all these. So I got 106482 Newton mm. Next, bending strength Fy by gamma m naught, that is Fy yield stress, gamma m naught is partial safety factor, which is available in page number 5, table number 5 and page number 30, 227.27 Newton per mm square. And I am equating momentum of resistance to bending moment. So by using this formula, here 106482, that is moment, and equating 1.2 into t square by 6 into 227.27, that is bending strength. I got the thickness value 48.4 mm. Here I am taking 56 mm base plate, and size is 700 by 600 mm. And while we are calculating the design load, as per the procedure, we are distributing the load, that is 50%. 50% is nothing but total load is 3600. We are distributing the load, half of that load. So that's why I wrote it as 0.5, that is nothing but 50%, that is 1800 kilonewtons. And load on each splice, that is half of this load, that is 900 kilonewtons. And strength of the bolt in single shear, that is 0.7 into pi by 4 d square, we know that, into fu by root 3 into 1 by gamma m naught. So I got 1.25 is partial safety factor, fu is ultimate load, that is 400 by root 3, and here d is 24 square, that is bolt dia, and next I got 65192 newtons. So strength in bearing is higher. Number of bolts required, so the required bolts are 900 into 10 cube by 65192. So this 900 is load on this splice plate, load on this each splice. So I got 13.8. So I am considering this total 16 bolts. So to connect the gusset plate, to design the gusset base, I am considering total 16 bolts. I'll show you the diagram how it will looks like. So by using those 16 bolts, I'm going to connect the gusset base. So here this is the diagram. So by using the bolts, I'm going to connect this base. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.